Hi, my name is Kim Strickland and I will be your math teacher, and I just wanted to welcome you and say hello. I have been teaching for about 35 years, and I've been teaching online for about 7 years, and I'm really excited about working with you, and just wanted to give you a little bit of information about myself. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mathematics, and I have 3 children. Their names are Callahan, Rory, and Skylar. And I like to hike and camp and travel. And so, for a quick bonus, when this is done, you can shoot me a little email or send me a text and tell me one of the activities that I like to do. All right. Bye-bye.